This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Susy Covenas. If you love natural light, this spacious and cozy 1-bed/1-bath condo with screened-in balcony overlooking the beautiful pool area is the unit for you. Whisper Lakes is a well-maintained and established community and perfect for those seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle condominium. This community is gated and offers 3 pools and 3 laundry facilities. It is close to shopping, restaurants, Tampa International Airport, beaches, and USF. It could be your first great investment property as well. For more information, review the details below.